In this quick tip, we're going to show you how to place a Practicad light on top of a Practicad ceiling grid. We're going to go into the architectural bin and we're going to choose the rectangular light and click once. Now the tile size we're using in this tutorial happen to be 2 foot by 2 foot, so we're going to size this light to be 2 foot by 4 foot. We're going to say on the width we're going to do 24 inches, the height we're going to leave is 10 inches, and the length we're going to choose 48 inches. We're going to hold this light by the Z bottom, X left, Y front corner, and that's actually the front left corner at the bottom portion of the light. And we're just going to bring it over to where we want to place the light, and you'll see that the object snap node, if you have the object snap node turned on and you got your snaps turned on, you're going to see that node. Once we see it, we can just click once. And now Practicad is going to ask us to rotate this, and we're going to rotate it like we would in most architectural items by using the polar tracking or just typing in 0, enter. And once we hit enter, the light will be placed. You'll notice that the light will automatically be on top of the ceiling grid. The ceiling grid was placed at 10 foot, bottom of the light's at 10 foot. And also take notice that when you add a light onto a Practicad ceiling grid, Practicad will eliminate that extra line. Currently with Practicad, if you do delete the light, it does not replace the line. You'd actually have to draw that line back in there. But it will erase it when you first place it down. So most of the time, if you place it down and you want to remove it, I would use Control Z to remove it the way we just did here. But once you place the light down on the drawing, Practicad will remove that center line so you don't see it when you plot. Here again, we're going to take width 24, length 48. We're just going to click here, rotate, and then hit escape. And now we've got our preview. You can see we're in 2D wireframe of the lights on the ceiling grid. So that quick tip will be concluded. That's how to place lights on top of Practicad ceiling grid.